Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the battle of load balancers, Haproxy versus Nginx. First, let's understand what a load balancer does. It distributes incoming traffic across multiple servers, ensuring no single server gets overwhelmed. Haproxy is a high-performance TCP and HTTP load balancer. Known for its reliability and performance, it's widely used in production environments. Features include Layer 4 and Layer 7 load balancing, advanced health checks, SSL termination, and detailed logging. In terms of performance, Haproxy excels in handling large amounts of simultaneous connections, while Nginx is efficient for static content and can handle high traffic with low memory usage. So, when should you use Haproxy? It's ideal for complex load balancing scenarios and environments requiring advanced traffic management. On the other hand, Nginx is perfect for serving static content quickly and efficiently, making it great for web applications. In conclusion, both Haproxy and Nginx have their strengths. Your choice depends on your specific needs and infrastructure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.